Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to share Canva templates in a really simple way. Sharing your designs is perfect if you want to collaborate, get some feedback, or just give someone else a starting point for their own work. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open up the design you want to share in Canva. Up at the top right corner, you'll see the share button. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, a drop-down menu appears with different sharing options. This is where you decide how much control the other person will have, whether they can just view it, leave comments, or actually edit. Next, type in the email address of the person you're sharing with. Make sure it's accurate because Canva uses that email to send the invite. You'll probably notice suggestions pop up if you've shared with them before, which makes it a bit quicker. Still, double check before you hit send. And, it's not a bad idea to let them know separately, like send a quick message so they know to expect the Canva email. After you've typed in the address, look at the permission settings. You can set it to can view, can comment, or can edit. If you want them to fully build off your template, give them edit access. If you just want feedback, comment is enough. And if you only want them to look at it, view works fine. Once you've got everything set, click the share button again and Canva will instantly send that person a notification with a link. From there, they can open the design and get to work right away. Easy as that. One quick tip before you start sending out links. Try to finalize your design or at least label it clearly as a draft so people know what stage it's in. And make sure you communicate your expectations, like if you want changes, if you don't want changes, so there's no confusion. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can share Canva templates and make collaboration smooth and creative. Thanks for hanging out with me in this guide, and yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial.